The final illusion for tonight will cause you to believe that nothing is impossible. I want to bring you snow in Singapore. Hi, Lawrence. Let me show you something. Come right here. Let me show you snow. Look. This is snow. Let me try again, okay? You're not impressed. Now, Lawrence, the amazing thing about snow is that every snowflake is so pretty. Each one is unique, just like you and me. But the most important thing about snow is that snow comes from water. Watch carefully. Look at this water. Come here. Look, take this like a magic wand. Wave over it. Wave over it and blow. Come here, come here. Come here, blow. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you, and have a good evening.